Sino pong mababasa?
Welcome to the Rio Grande Rapids. Please remain seated with seatbelt on at all times. Keep your hands, arms, and inside the raft at all times. For your safety, do not rock the raft. Please secure all these belongings. This ride is
Picture tayo.
not recommended for guests with the following health conditions:
Picture bago
recent surgery or illness, weak heart, expectant mother, weak back, high blood
Ayan na. Sa kanila pa din yan, sa kanila pa din. Ay, putang ina mo. Asata yan.